That's right, I went to ITOYA this last July when I went to Japan, and I'm super excited to show you every single thing that I got there. So I'm going to start with these adorable stickers of doggies. I'm gonna freeze that for you. And next, we have washi tape. The quality of this one makes it look like it's made out of fabric. And this one says miso soup every day. At first I was kind of disappointed because it starts on day 3. Then I thought it was kind of fate because my flight lasted for about 2 days, and my trip honestly began during July 3 when we started exploring. The next washi I got has these beautiful pink roses. Watercolor postcards. How gorgeous are these water lilies and the fish? Next is a notebook for haiku poems. Oh my god, gold flakes. I just couldn't leave it there. It has these gorgeous lilac flowers and gold patterns. Next up, the iconic red clip from ITOYA's store. I had to take it as a memento. Next, another washi tape with a traditional Japanese design. Gorgeous fans painted along with some gold details. And I'm going to be using it for my Japan journal, so it's perfect. I also got these circles because I thought that they were very elegant with their gold details. Just look at how gorgeous these are. I got this tiny hole puncher in the shape of an airplane because I wanted to see it every time I'm going to use it and just remember that I got it on my first trip outside of the country. Oh my god, best hole puncher ever. When I saw it, I thought, oh my god, I have to take this. Like, come on, it's a sakura flower. Screams in excitement. Yes, I did, because who doesn't need Totoro in their life? I'm gonna have a heart attack. So I was full of curiosity because I couldn't try out this pen, the Kurotake Furugokochi. The next one is a mystery pen as well. I got it because of the traditional pattern. Like, honestly, it was super gorgeous. Okay, so it's a brush pen and it's nice and dark, but I noticed that it smears a little bit. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit my Etsy shop, as well as commenting and liking this video. I love to see your comments, and I would like to have any recommendations from you for what you want to see on my next video. Bye bye.